Not a necklace will you tangle when you travel from place to place. 8 separate little pockets are in this pretty case. Whatever is your pleasure, how smart this pouch will be. Traveling with your treasures, you will have this gift from me. As the location of the first shop is near Wow Momo, the jewelry collection is also wow. I must say the location does quite justice in this case. The speciality of this shop, it has beautiful earrings, neck piece, bangles, etc. of different kinds. Next, in order to get what you want in a low budget, you have to be a little interactive, and in a minute I'll show you how to bargain. 1, 2, 3, listen carefully. এগুলো মিলিটারি ওয়ার্কের এগুলো যেগুলো আছে
এগুলো 350 দিচ্ছি 280 আছে
দেখি রেটটা একটু কম করে বলো 350 একটু বেশি না বললে না একটু বেশি বলো
আচ্ছা না
কত করবেন এটা 280 আরো কম করুন 200 এটা হয়ে যাবে 200 এটা আমি দেখেছি অন্য
দোকানে কেনা নেই মিনে পারি না এগুলো জিনিসটা দেখছেন এটা বড় সাইজ আছে এর একটা ছোট আছে ছোটটা একটু দাম কম আছে কিন্তু আমরা ওটা আমরা ভালো কোয়ালিটিরই রাখি জিনিসটা ভালো হ্যাঁ হাজার বাক্স আছে জিনিস দেখুন ম্যাডাম এই কালেকশনটা দেখুন এটা জিনিসটা দেখুন আমরা কম করেই বলেছি এগুলো রিজনেবল প্রাইস বলেছি আমরা এগুলো আমরা অন্য সময় 60-70 দাম আছে এগুলো অরিজিনাল জিএস এর মধ্যে মিরার বাক্স আছে ডিজাইনটা দেখুন ম্যাডাম কানে পড়বেন আর কিছু পড়তে লাগবে না এগুলো ইউনিক কালেকশন
I bought the previous earring at just rupees 200, so from 450 to 200. Although his collections was really commendable.
পাঁচেরটা দেখো ওই পাঁচেরটা আর ওইটা এগুলো ছাড়া ব্ল্যাক অরিজিনাল ব্ল্যাক কত সুন্দর ইউনিক কালেকশন
Yes, unique collections indeed. In a hurry, sometimes we buy, but later we realize it's not suiting our face. Better to take time and check yourself once, like I did. And not only for earrings, this shop also has great collections for oxidized neck pieces. Anyways, just realized spend a lot of time in this shop. Let's move to the next one. Next one, which is just beside the previous shop, is having some amazing neck pieces and again various kind of earrings. Warning, they will try to convince you somehow, but don't buy if you don't want to.
70 টাকা দিন 150 আমার কেনা 150 টাকা দিন পনিরা করতাম কত দেবেন বলেন যদি হয় দিয়ে দেবেন
ঠিক আছে Heading towards the next one. The shop sells only handmade jewelries in particular. Apart from the jewelry sets, look at these calendars. They are so adorable. I was thinking about the makers who made this. They made it so accurate, no? After seeing all these collections, the halat of my hriday also became colorful like this colorful flowers. I was touched. This time Garyahat has got some amazing collections, girls. So hurry up. Lastly and finally, also found this shop selling gold plated jewelries. Also, these are very pretty. Different kind of earrings, necklaces were present there. Oh god, I don't even know them by type. Anyways, I hope you found yours. So don't delay and hop on to Garyahat market for your next jewelry shopping. Now showing you all the jewelries that I bought. First one is this oxidized simple and thin neck piece, costed for just rupees 130. Second one is this oxidized jhumka having mirror pieces attached. It is a heavy one and costed me for just rupees 200. Third and the last one is this long oxidized shell earring, which is very comfortable and not heavy at all, and it costed me for just rupees 180. So these were my purchase. All in total I purchased 3 items as I have already shown. Also you guys do yours as soon as possible. I hope you liked my andaaz of showing Garyahat jewelry collection. And one important announcement. Part 2 of this video focusing on the cloth collections will be uploaded soon. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.